Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all to my channel for your general love reading for February 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner. But if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating and leave the rest. I don't read reversals. Gender is not specific here. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything, Aquarius. And one more thing, I'm very sorry because I was not well, so I was unable to do your reading. Now I'm back. So yeah, I'm back and now I will be continuing doing your readings. And a very happy birthday to all my Aquarius who are having a birthday. Okay, Aquarius, a very happy birthdays. So you can let me know in the comment section if you are having your birthday. And I have already uploaded your main general reading. Okay, this is your love general reading and I have already uploaded your main general reading. So this is your love reading and that is your general reading, sorry. Okay, that was your general reading and this is your main reading for love. So let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius which I need to deliver. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world. What are the messages? Three of Pentacle. Okay. Knight of Cup. Queen of Swords. Aquarius, what is happening? Let me see all the energies first. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? The Star. See the King, Queen of Swords and the Star. This is you, Aquarius. You are taking the energy of Queen of Swords and the Star here. There is someone around you who is trying to give you some love offer. The Knight of Cups is here, who want to take the relationship. Okay. Six of Cup. This person is from your past, and Six of Cup is also a card of soulmate. Then there is Nine of Swords here. They want to take this relationship on a higher level, Aquarius. Queen of Cup. Queen of Cup, okay. Any other message? Queen of Wands. Lot of Queen energy. Any other message? The Tower. Okay. What are the messages? Give me the messages which I need to deliver. Hierophant. The Wheel of Fortune. The Page of Pentacle. King of Pentacle. Any other message? Temperance. You are dealing with your soulmate, your divine counterpart. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Two of Cups here. See, a lot of angel energy here in this deck. You need to keep your patience, or someone is keeping their patience. Let me see more. Knight of Swords. Justice and the King of Cups. Okay. Aquarius, what is happening? Let me see. Beautiful energies are here today's reading. So some of you Aquarius, there is someone around you who is trying to give you some love offer. They want to collaborate with you. They want to work with you as a team. Okay, they want to work with you as on a higher level. They are very romantic, very caring. Lot of romance is indicated here, the Knight of Cups and the Three of Pentacles. But you are emotionally unavailable, Aquarius. You are taking the energy of Queen of Swords, and the Star card is here. This is you are emotionally unavailable, detached basically, and you're rising as in Queen of Swords. Okay, you're taking the energy of Queen of Swords. Queen of Swords is someone who is truth seeker and truth giver, who will cut immediately if she will find that there is someone who is trying to give them deception, lying and cheating or manipulation. She is, can you see how this queen is asking here? She always asks the questions. Okay, and this is you, because Queen of Swords belongs to Aquarius and the Star is also Aquarius card. So you are rising as a star. New hopes and new desires. You want new hopes, new desires in your life. You do not want anything which will hurt you, basically, in which there will be lying, cheating, manipulation. You do not want that. You already know the truth. Queen of Swords is someone who knows the truth. Okay, who knows the truth, beauty with the brains, and you know this truth. There is someone who is from your past. Six of Cups is here, who are spending sleepless nights. They cannot sleep at night. Can you see here? It is 6 and 9 here. 6 and here it is 9. Okay, 6 and 9 is here. And 6 and 9 is the symbol of yin and yang, twin flame, Shiv and Shakti. This is a person from your past, your soulmate, your twin flame, the person from your past. You both have spent many lives together. They cannot sleep at night, Aquarius. They are spending sleepless nights. Okay, they are unable to sleep at night. They are unable to sleep at night, and they're rising as Queen of Cups. They're rising as in Queen of Cups. This is the person who is unable to sleep at night. This can be a water sign, but I never mention signs here. Okay, they see you as someone who is very passionate, very mysterious, very adventurous, and they're ready to give the cup to you. They're full of emotions. Queen of Cup is someone who is full of emotions, emotionally stable person, and who knows the value of emotions, and very intuitive, psychic person. So this is your person, the Queen of Cups, and they see you as Queen of Wands. You are someone who is very mysterious, very adventurous, very creative. Okay, very attractive personality, very passionate. Okay, but some tower movement is happening in your life. The tower is here. Okay, something, this is the divine intervention. Okay, this is the divine intervention in your life. Divine intervenes in your situation when necessary changes are necessary to made, so that you can make the necessary changes which are required for you, for your life. So something is shaking up your life. Unexpected changes are coming for you, Aquarius. And there is Hierophant here. Okay, so maybe you are, either you are married to this person, or you were going to marry to this person, or you were committed to this person. The Wheel of Fortune is, because there is a lot of major arcana here in today's reading, Aquarius. The Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor here. The Wheel of Fortune is moving. Can you see? The Tower and the Wheel of Fortune both are here. 0909 was the recording reading time. The Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor, and there is some small message or small offer which has been given to you. This is the Page of Pentacle. Okay, this is Page of Pentacle. This is just a page, but this is coming towards you because of the Wheel of Fortune which is moving in your favor. Okay, the good karma is getting here. You're getting back on your good karma. And this page of pentacle is being offered by the king of pentacles. This is someone who is financially stable, grounded, who knows how to manages their finances. They're offering you some small offer or some small message. Maybe right now this is a some small initiative which has been taken by this person. Can you see this is a small pentacle is here. Page of pentacle is some small initiative which has been offered to you, and they're keeping their patience, they're keeping their temperance, but they are rushing towards you, Aquarius. This is, can you see the temperance? This angel is pouring these cups into one and another. They balancing, they're trying, this angel is balancing the both of the cups. Okay, they were keeping their temperance with them, but now they're rushing towards you. The Knight of Swords, someone is rushing towards you, and that's the karmic justice which is being served in your case. Okay, which is being served in your case. And this is you, the King of Cups. This is your divine counterpart here. Can you see I'm having Queen of Cups and King of Cups, both are here in this reading. So someone from your past is unable to sleep at night, Aquarius. They see you as someone who is very passionate, very attractive, and you are rising as you're taking the energy of King of Cups. This is you. 1111 was the recording reading time. You are someone who is very passionate, very attractive, very mysterious. Okay, you're full of passions, you're full of adventurous. You are someone who knows how to manage your emotions. You are emotionally, you want to offer your cup to someone, and that's the justice which is being served in your case. You, maybe some of you Aquarius are calling for karmic justice. You have gone through a, you have left things on the divine that I want my karmic justice, and the karmic justice is being served in your case. They're coming back. Someone from your past is coming back. They cannot sleep at night, Aquarius. They're spending sleepless nights. Okay, they cannot sleep. 1155 was the recording reading time. This person is from your past. Someone from your past is coming back. You both know each other. Okay, you both know each other. They cannot sleep at night, and they will come towards you, with whom either you were married to this person or you were committed to this person for long period of time, because here it is the Hierophant. Okay, the divine is intervening in your situation, and the wheel of fortune is moving in your favor. And after the wheel of fortune is moving in your favor, either you will receive a message. 1 2 3 4 was the recording reading time. So you will receive some kind of small message or small initiative which is being taken by them here with this King of Pentacles. This is someone who knows how to manage their finances. Maybe they are very financially independent or strong. Okay, grounded. They offered you some small pentacle, some small offer. And in the extended, I'm going to take these energies in a deeper level, but they are rushing towards you. They were keeping their temperance. Before they were keeping their temperance, their patience with you, but now they are rushing towards you. And that's the justice which has been served in your case. So let's add some oracle to your reading. Beautiful messages for you, Aquarius. There is someone who wants to offer you love. Okay, romantic love is I am seeing. And in the extended, I need to see that whether there are two energies around you or whether it is the same energy. But some unexpected changes are coming for you, that is for sure, because Tower and the Wheel of Fortune both are here. They were keeping the patience with you, and this is your divine counterpart, because I'm having Queen of Cups and King of Cups, both are here. They see you as the star. They see you as someone who is very passionate, very attractive. Let me see. Magician. Maybe you are manifesting your divine counterpart in your life. Okay, let me see more. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? See, Temperance. Wow, Temperance and the Star card. Okay, so you were keeping your temperance, Aquarius. You were also keeping your temperance. You are manifesting it. The star has also come again for you. You were keeping your patience, your temperance with you. Okay, and you are keep manifesting it. You are manifesting your divine counterpart in your life. You are manifesting it. You're rising as a star. You're hoping for new hopes and new desires. See, you're rising as an empress. You're rising as an empress. Empress is someone who is very loving, very caring. You are doing your soul searching. You're doing your inner work. The hermit mode is here. But now you are moving in a forward direction. The chariot is here. Now you know what is right and what is wrong for you. And that's the judgment which is being made by the divine. Bottom of the deck, I'm having lovers again. I told you that this is your divine counterpart. This is your divine counterpart which is coming for you, which is rushing in your life. Okay, which is rushing towards you. Any other message? Beautiful message for you, Aquarius. You are keeping your patience. You are doing your inner work. You are hoping for new hope and new desires. You are using your intuitions. High Priestess has come. You are manifesting your divine counterpart. You are manifesting new hopes, new desires. No. Now you will able to move in a forward direction. Keep your strength with you. Okay, keep your strength with you. Wow. See, I told you that you are dealing with your divine counterpart. And see, strength and wheel of fortune again. So keep your strength with you, Aquarius. Keep doing whatever you are doing and keep your strength with you, because wheel of fortune is moving in your favor. Okay, the wheel of fortune is moving in your favor, that is for sure. Keep your strength with you. You are manifesting your divine counterpart, and here it is. The emperor and the empress is here. Beautiful. This is your divine counterpart which is coming here in your life right now, and this person is from your past. You both know each other. Okay, Six of Cups is here. You both know each other. Use your intuitions. You are using your intuitions. You are listening to your intuitions. That's very good, because you are using your intuitions. You are guiding yourself by your intuitions, and that's the judgment. Either you are making your judgment for your life, or the divine is making the judgment for you. You are doing your soul searching. You are doing your inner work. You are looking the answers from within yourself, that what my soul wants. Okay, you are manifesting by keeping your temperance with the good energy, and this is very beautiful energy. You are hoping for new hopes and new desires. Here the star card is here. This is you, the magician, the star card, and the temperance. And now you will be able to move in a forward direction. The chariot is here. You will move in a forward direction. You will know what is right and what is wrong for you, what is black and what is white for you. So these were the oracles for you. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's add some activation oracle card. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Please give me the messages which I need to deliver for February 2021. See, change is coming for you, and bottom of the deck I'm having transition, and that's right. I told you the tower movement is there. Some unexpected changes are coming for you, because Aquarius, this is the season of Aquarius. This is the age of Aquarius, and unexpected good changes are coming for you. These changes are not bad, because you are getting, see, Gaia, transition and the change. As you know that now we are getting transformed into beautiful thing. Okay, transition period is going on. The change is coming for you. The frequency of change supports our ability to gracefully dance with the forever changing nature of reality, both inward and outward, so that we can appreciate the sweet release of the old and the birth of the new. Beautiful message for you. You're getting transformed. Transition period is going on for you, and the change is coming for you, which you are manifesting it, Aquarius. You are manifesting new hopes and new desires, and you're getting it. Thank you so much, Activation Oracle card, for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from Chakra Wisdom Oracle deck. Let's add one or two cards from this deck. What are the messages? Have faith. Impatience is there at the bottom of the deck. Keep your patience with you, Aquarius. Some of you Aquarius are losing their patience. As I told you that you need to keep your patience. Keep patience, Aquarius. Have patience. There is have faith. Everything is working according to the divine plan, according to divine timing. Have faith in the universe, in the divine. Then there is enlightenment. See, beautiful cards. As I told you, the transformation, the transition period is taking place. You're getting enlightenment here. Then there is impasse. Let me read it out for you from the book. Beautiful reading for you today. This is a card of Aquarius, impasse. This card is what's done is done. This card can indicate the end of a great emotional upset. The power to change direction for the better is supported in rust. Your angel appear to protect you in the long run. There is a detour, not a no. Be in the here and now. Things will change. Go where you are led for now. As I told you, you need to keep your faith, Aquarius. The changes are coming for you. Enlightenment is taking place here for you. Just keep going. Have patience. Have patience. Okay. Everything is working at the correct time. You just need to keep your patience and keep going. The change is coming for you. The enlightenment is coming for you. Okay, have faith. Beautiful things are coming for you. That was a reading for you for February 2021, and that was very beautiful. So someone from the past is rushing back towards you. Maybe they will message you a small message. They are unable to sleep at night, and now they see your worth. Basically, they see you as someone who is very passionate, very attractive, very mysterious, full of passions. They're coming towards you. They want to collaborate with you, Aquarius. Okay, now in the extended, I am going to take these energies so that I am going to clarify these cards more, so that I can get more information on these cards. I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner. Okay, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything, Aquarius. Sending you lots of love, light and happiness to all my Aquarius all over the world. Take care of yourself, Aquarius. Okay, and see you soon.